warm welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for liking our content and our channel. So, today we have a very precise session with Goel sir. Sir, a warm welcome and a pranam to you, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, so what are we going to learn from you today?
You always extract something wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm? So I was thinking of sharing some other things, but I thought that I will share a very rare principle
Right, sir.
and rare and as well as intricating why this principle has come, but I have found its application and very strong application it gives. The principle is that whenever the sixth lord occupies ninth house,
Hmm.
there will always be some dispute, or I will not say even dispute, some problem with the property, and it is sure to be taken away by enemies.
Hmm.
It will be taken away by enemies. But if there is a malefic, again note, there is a malefic, natural malefic in the fourth house,
Hmm.
sitting in the fourth house, then you will get your property back.
It's a beautiful thing. Why?
And,
Why? Why, sir? Why a
and,
malefic is giving it to us? Yes, sir.
and if a benefic is sitting in fourth house, then you forget about the property, it will not come back to you. The benefic is not giving you back, malefic is giving you back. So
Mhm.
this is the principle. I apply it
Okay, sir.
on other houses also, but I am demonstrating only on ninth house. That sixth lord in ninth house.
Okay,
I
sir.
apply it on other houses also.
So, sir, you've revealed one step further. You have just given another thought for food, which we should be able to, process for ourselves.
Yes, do it and you will get the answer. But if you can catch why it is so, then you can apply it to others also, other houses.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Now, if you want, you can take a example.
So, sir, this is the chart of Shah Rukh Khan,
Shah Rukh Khan.
an Indian actor, and he has his Lagna in Libra, and his sixth lord is Jupiter. This Jupiter, which is retrograde, is sitting in Gemini Rashi, in Gemini sign. So this becomes the sixth lord in the ninth house, which is also retrograde. So it is also very strong, and the fourth house is housing Moon, which is a natural benefic.
Yes. So he should have some dispute or his property will be taken away by enemies.
Right,
He will not get it back because moon is sitting, moon is a benefit here.
right, sir.
Now you see, other things I am not linking. Moon is 10th lord, 10th house, profession is good, right? Then you can say ninth lord in second house with second lord gives wealth. I am not disputing, I am not saying those things. I am giving only one principle that whenever the sixth lord will go to ninth house, he will lose his property to a enemy.
Hmm.
Must have had some dispute about the properties, or he has lost the property.
And so his in fact, sir, his ancestral property, which was in Pakistan, was taken up by his cousins because he cannot have property
Okay.
there.
That is one. Otherwise, also in his life, earlier, must have happened. Okay.
Right, sir.
I have no trace of that, but this is the principle, and he will lose it.
This is another.
Okay. Next chart.
Yes,
Now here,
yes, sir.
Moon is the sixth lord,
Yes, sir.
sitting in ninth house.
Yes, sir.
He will lose his property. But Saturn is sitting in fourth house, so it will give it back also. It will not be permanently lost.
Yes.
As we all know, he had to mortgage his house, etc., to the bank
Hmm.
or ABCL or something, what I don't know. But he got it back.
Right.
If there was no malefic in fourth house, he will not get it back. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
There
it's
are other yogas also
right.
in Amitabh Bachchan's, which is supporting it, like third lord in eighth house
Yes.
is a very strong yoga.
Hmm.
Okay. So that is our principle of sixth lord going to ninth house.
So we have been given many food, many kind of thoughts that we can actually chew on. The first and the foremost is that when the
Sixth
sixth
lord.
lord goes to the ninth house, your property, or for that matter anybody's property, can be under dispute,
Will be
and
taken away by enemies.
can be taken away by enemies. But if there is a malefic present in the fourth house, this property will return to you. The chances are quite high. On the other side, if there
No,
is,
no, no chances. It will return to you.
okay, sir. So we can be sure that yes, it will return to you. But if it's benefit sitting there, unfortunately, you can forget the property so that you can live in peace.
It will not.
Sir uses these principles for all houses. Now, that is something which is intriguing. Do write to us and do write in your comments and your suggestions so that we know how far you have been able to decipher this code. Till we meet with you again, please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel. Stay safe. Thank you so much.
Namaskar.